Welcome to my candy store. This is the 5 on Guru Hub. This is my list of the 5 tools you didn't even know you needed. Starting with my longtime classic favorite, the Dremel. Has like 10,000 little components you can add to it. You can get into every tight little nook and cranny. Any project you have around the house, very, very handy. A lot of people ask me about moisture problems inside the wall. How do I tell? A moisture meter. Moisture meter can see inside the wall for you, tell you if there's something that's going to cause a problem, maybe build up mold or build up something that could rot with inside. So moisture meter, number 2. Number 3, oscillating multi-tool. These are powerful. They can cut anything. So if it's just the bottom of a door or some trim, or maybe you need to notch something out, an oscillating multi-tool can get in everywhere. Demolition, my favorite. That's why having a good reciprocating saw will do anything. It can power through whether it's got nails in it and it's wood, metal, you can get a blade for everything. Reciprocating saw is a must-have tool. And then having a multi-purpose inflator is handy. This will work for kids' toys like balls, maybe even inflatable mattresses, but this is what you usually don't know you need until you have a flat tire. Those are my 5. My list of 5 actually includes 6 because I also love a very powerful pressure washer. Can bring back to life the exterior of your home, concrete, patio surfaces, anything. So that is my therapeutic number 6 on the 5 with Guru Hub.